Okay, celebrity chef Ivana here. What's on the menu today? Almost celebrity. What's on the menu?
We are going to make ramen burgers, but it's a little bit different than the normal ones because there is no buns. We're gonna make our own buns with some ramen. Woo!
I'm amazed this is even possible. I'm a little bit nervous. So the bun of the burger will be Korean ramen.
Yes.
Korea.
So we were in Korea before we went to Malaysia.
Right.
Yeah. So we missed the food.
There
We
you have
thought
it.
we would mix the two, Korean and Malaysian food,
Korea
together.
and Malaysia collide.
And by the way, today marks the first day of fasting for the Ramadan season for the Muslims. And Ramadan is a big thing here in Malaysia. So happy Ramadan to those who celebrate.
Wow, that's well said, Ivana. Okay, let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients.
Okay, so we got the burger patties, the ramen burger patties. We got beef and chicken, and we got the instant noodle. This is the ramen. You can actually use any instant noodle. It doesn't have to be ramen. And we got the eggs here, and we're gonna make buns, the burger buns out of this.
Somehow.
And we got all this Korean side dishes for the condiment.
Wow, this is like a plate of Korea. Kimchi, pickled radish that somehow Ivana turned yellow, and cucumber, pickled cucumber. Now, to be clear, Ivana made all of these.
Except for the kimchi, I store-bought the kimchi.
Except for the kimchi. It's amazing how kimchi, when you eat it, you feel like you're in Korea. It takes you right back. To me, kimchi is Korea. Fermented and pickled cabbage.
Yeah.
And it's darn good.
Yeah, a Korean dish is not complete without the kimchi.
Right.
Yeah.
This one's nice too. This is pickled radish. How'd you turn it yellow? Ivana made this.
So, to make this kimchi or pickle, I boil sugar with vinegar, and I put turmeric and garlic in it as well with water. So, put it to a boil, let it cool, and then put the radish into a jar and let it sit overnight.
The turmeric makes it yellow. Nice. This one is my favorite Korean side dish. Let me tell you what's in this. This is cucumber, spicy, garlic, and some kind of oil, like peanut oil. No, not peanut oil.
Close.
Is there such a thing as almond oil? Not almond oil. Just tell me, I have no idea. But this is my favorite one. This one is so good.
So to make the cucumber pickle, I mix sugar, rice wine vinegar, and sesame oil.
Sesame oil. That's the one I couldn't get.
And put some garlic, chilies, and put the
It's so
cucumber
good. You have
in.
more, right? 'Cause I'm gonna finish this before we get the burgers going.
No,
So
don't
good.
have much, so save it for later.
Okay, save it. Somehow, these toppings will be the ingredients, I should say the condiments for our burger. And the ramen and eggs will be the bun. I have no idea how Ivana will pull this off. Sounds to me like it might be a disaster. Not that I doubt your skill, it just seems so hard to do.
It's
But
a Korean style ramen burger.
Korea and Malaysia collide.
Ooh.
First time cooking this meal?
Yes, first time.
First time cooking this
So
meal.
we'll see how it turns out.
My mouth is spicy now. Those cucumbers are so good. Okay, no more talking. Let's start cooking.
Okay, so first thing first, let's boil the instant noodle. In the meantime, we're gonna beat one egg in a bowl. So the noodles is now ready, and we're gonna drain the water and then mix it into the eggs.
And so the idea is we're gonna fry the noodles with egg.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna try and make the bun by frying the noodles. I don't know if it's gonna work, so we'll try.
Okay, that worked. No, that was good. Oh, the stuff is coming out. Oh no. Whoa. Okay. Interesting. Are you gonna flip it?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh my gosh, it's kind of working. It's working! I should have known better than doubting Ivana. I really thought the bun wasn't gonna work because it would be crunchy and dry and crispy. The egg makes it kind of, I mean, it looks like a bun. It's gonna work, Ivana. It's gonna work. Oh, that side looks quite yummy, actually. No? It looks good there. It almost looks like a burger patty. Okay, there you have it. into the drip tray. This is the 4th try. This is the best one. It looks the most organized. Whoa, Ivana. I think you nailed it. I think you mastered it. That's it. That looks like a proper bun.
You think so?
This is our best one. So the 4th one was the best one.
So, now it's time to cook the patties. Oh, you know what? I just thought of.
What's that?
Should we add cheese? Would
Cheese.
cheese be good with
Ramen?
ramen? Yes, let's do it.
Okay, I'm in. I tell you what, this part looks good. This looks familiar. Ooh. Okay. Looks like a pancake burger or something.
Pancake burger. First burger.
It looks like a pancake burger. Do it beside your face.
Wow,
Okay.
looks like a real burger.
Interesting. Interesting.
Nice.
Alrighty then. Here goes nothing. Dun, 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 dun. Interesting. I think the bun is like soggy. We're gonna see what happens. Let's go. You got chicken, I got beef. Dun, 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 dun. What do I notice? It's heavy. Holy jumping. No? I never felt a burger this heavy. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
4 out of 10. Wow. It's not very good. Let me keep trying. Bun is gross. It's too soggy. What do you think? It's not fluffy, it's just kind of soggy and oily and the cheese. Questionable decision. What do you think about the cheese?
This works.
Cheese works. Maybe if we had some normal toppings like lettuce on top of it. Lettuce might bring it together. It doesn't taste like a burger. It's not a burger experience. It's more like a I don't know, like a pancake, some kind of greasy pancake. Not that bad.
I feel like you're supposed to eat this with fork and knife.
Maybe. Interesting. I don't know if it's good. What do you think, Ivana?
You know what? I like normal burger better.
That's true.
Not bad though.
It's not that bad. Ramen, very good. When we were in Korea, we had ramen every day. Burgers, very good. Ramen burgers, somehow not that good. One of the rare instances when 2 good things combine and don't make a better thing. Certainly edible, but the bun is just so...
Maybe topping is not right.
The toppings are questionable too. Maybe normal burger toppings. We tried to go full Korea. Ramen and then all the 3 condiments. Maybe that was a bad choice. It's not that bad. It feels heavy though. My heart rate's slowing down. Ooh, it feels heavy, right? Whoa. Okay, interesting. Let's switch to lunch off. I mean, kimchi on a burger? That shows some courage on our part. We really went all out. Kimchi burger.
I got the beef now.
I got the chicken one. Doesn't look that bad. Cool, but oh, it's so heavy. My stomach is like, whoa, dude, just take it easy. So what's in this burger? 2 eggs for each burger. A full packet of ramen, and then a burger. It's not that much food, but it feels heavy. Ooh.
I think it's the topping
I think it's the toppings.
that doesn't go with it. If you take out the topping and just get the meat, will it taste better? Let's see.
Maybe.
Yeah.
The toppings are no good. True.
It's the toppings. That's
Oh,
what-
it's way better like that.
the toppings, the kimchi and the pickles by itself is amazing.
But in a burger,
It
it's
doesn't go with the burger. I
Question
think
mark.
lettuce and tomato and normal
Yes.
condiments is better.
this burger with lettuce and tomato
Mm-hmm.
would be good.
Mm-hmm.
It still feels heavy though. But okay, there we go. I think we solved the problem. There you have it, guys. We did our best today. What did we learn? When you're making a ramen burger, put on lettuce and tomato.
Right. Good experiment, though.
Good experiment. It's still a good meal. I'm gonna finish it. I'm not gonna not eat it. Not bad. I said 4 out of 10. I might give it. I might boost it up to 6 out of 10.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
If anyone could pull this off, Yvonne, it was you. If I try this, I'm sure it'd be a 2 out of 10.
Not bad.
There you
Not
have it,
bad.
guys. Ramly ramen burger. We wanted to bring Korea into our cooking because we just love Korea, so we wanted to.
We'll make better Korean food next time.
Yes, next time we'll do something better. Although your condiments you made by themselves are amazing.
Yeah. We can
The
try and make the pickles, guys.
sesame cucumber is the best one.
Mm-hmm.
So good. Spicy sesame cucumber. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We're gonna finish up eating our experimental.
I'm full now. It's very filling.
It's very heavy. I'm full already.
We need to exercise today.
Yep. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next cooking video. Most of our cooking videos are great successes, and Ivana is a great chef. This one is the odd one out, being a little bit of a adventurous, experimental meal. But thanks for watching. Below us, our most recent upload. You can see what food we're cooking, what country we're traveling. Hopefully the lockdown ends soon so we can get back to doing travel vlogs. And on the left, some of our other videos. Cheers to burgers, Ivana. Burger cheers.